welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing some products from JLo's new line. It's the JLo Beauty. So if you want to see how these products work, then just keep watching. So like I said, we're going to review this collection. I know Jennifer Lopez has had like skincare and other stuff in the past, so I don't know if this is actually a new company or just a new line. Not quite sure on that, to be honest, but this is JLo Beauty. I got this from Sephora. It is called the JLo Glow 4-piece kit. Retails for $64. What does it have in here? So it looks like we have a cleanser that's twisted, a serum, that Blockbuster. Okay, hold on. Let me read it from here instead. The box is kind of confusing me. Okay, so it comes with a gel cleanser, so this big bottle. It comes with a serum, which is this guy. Comes with a Blockbuster Wonder Night Cream. So this is a night cream, which is the bottle down here. I'll get this all out, don't worry. And then the last thing is a highlighting complexion booster in warm bronze. Okay, let's just open this. It says it took 2 years and 21 versions to get this powerhouse mix of instant tightening and youthful glow. And we all know JLo still looks in her 20s. Can you just take everything out real quick? I love the packaging, like the color wise of it being like rose gold. Okay, I'm gonna go through each item and kind of explain what it says about it and also pricing. If you wanted to buy things separately, I'll find the pricing and let you know that. Just a little bit of background in case you haven't seen my previous videos. I do have dry skin. I'm kind of like normal here and then dry in my center, my T-zone. But not really my T's. Is your chin a part of your T-zone? I'm brain farting. This whole area. Okay, so let's go with the cleanser first. So it just comes in this squeezy tube. This comes with 1.7 fluid ounces, which is smaller than if you buy the full thing. So if you actually buy the full thing, it is $38 on its own, and it's actually 5 ounces instead. So let's read about the cleanser. So the cleanser says it's for all skin types. It's supposed to be a silky gel cream cleanser that lifts daily dirt and makeup in one squeaky clean wash while also unclogging pores. Everything says powered by JLo Beauty Olive Complex. I wonder what that means. I do not know. It's a sulfate-free, antioxidant enriched formula. It's supposed to deliver brighter, clearer, and more radiant looking complexion. Okay, so that is that. Move on. So this is the serum that comes in the package. This comes with 0.5 fluid ounces. However, if you bought it by itself, it's $79 and comes in 1 fluid ounce. That feels wrong. The fact that you can get this in this kit for $64 and then this is half the size of an original one and it's $79 for one seems a little crazy, but okay. It's supposed to be a mega rich gel serum that visibly brightens, tightens, and lifts while also providing all day hydration and an instant glow. Also again says for all skincare or skin types. I just noticed it says skincare concerns, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness, and uneven texture. I will tell you, so this is plastic. It is kind of a little weighty, but not really. When I first grabbed these two out of the package, I'm surprised how light they are, because I guess in my mind I associate heavy with expensive, luxurious, nice, and light things with more cheap. So hopefully that doesn't mean that the quality of the actual product is also cheap, but I figured I'd mention it in case you're like me. Let me go back to the cleanser real quick and see if it had one of those skincare concerns. It did. Okay. So the skincare concern for the cleanser is pores, dullness, and oiliness, which I don't have a problem with. So the next item is that Blockbuster Wonder Cream with hyaluronic acid. So the one in the kit is 0.5 ounces. The actual one to buy by itself is 1.7 ounces. And by itself, it's $58. So it says it's supposed to be a rich moisturizer formulated with JLo Beauty Olive Complex. Again, don't know what that is. Potent peptides and hyaluronic acid that provides long-lasting hydration and a dewy glow. Again, it says all skin types. Concerns, it says, is fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and dullness. Okay, so the last item is this guy, which is called a That Star Filter Highlighting Complexion Booster. Geez. So the one that comes in the kit is 0.5 fluid ounces. The one by itself is 1 fluid ounce. By itself, it retails for $39. Looks like they have 4 shades. The one in the kit is warm bronze, which when I'm looking at their colors, I should have champagne or maybe rose gold. Warm bronze looks too dark. I should probably have pink champagne or rose gold. So this will be interesting. I'm gonna use it, whoa, for the sake of the video, but I probably shouldn't because of how fair I am, but it's okay. It's supposed to be a sheer skin enhancing complexion boosting serum formulated with light bouncing mineral pigments and vitamin E to deliver a subtle or all over glow. Again, all skin types. Concerns is fine lines and wrinkles, dryness, and uneven texture. So the thing I'm kind of confused about is this doesn't say serum anywhere on here. It says complexion booster, but in the details, it says that it's a boosting serum, but we already have a serum. Why would you give me both? So now I'm confused. What order do I do this in? Let me see if on the website here, if the collection tells you a recommended order. So I don't think anything on the box did. Oh, hey, I figured out what the JLo olive complex is. So it's a antioxidant rich 4-part olive blend of squalane, I don't know, fermented oil, extra virgin oil, geez, and leaf extract. Why can I not talk today? It's clinically shown to deliver all-day moisturization and that star glow. Interesting, okay. All right, do we have a how to use thing anywhere? It doesn't technically say a way to do it, but in the description it says that it includes cleanser, serum, moisturizer, and complexion booster. So I'm gonna assume it wants you to go in that order. We're gonna assume that. So let's start off with the cleanser. Directions: massage over wet face, eyes, and neck. Rinse and use daily, morning, and night. See outer box or insert for warnings. I have no outer box. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Obviously, this will be first impressions. When it comes to skincare, there's not really a whole lot you can tell from one use. I will be able to at least tell something, but I won't be able to tell if it's really doing a whole lot. I did pick a zit today, and I probably shouldn't have before we started this video. But I did, it's too late now. So let's go ahead and use this. Don't judge me. I'm not at my sink in my bathroom. So I'm gonna spray my face. I don't have any water in here. So I'm just gonna use this. This should be interesting. Or should I use this? Which one's more water? Water is first, so is it on this. Okay. So I'm just gonna spray myself with this Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I don't need any judgment, okay? I need my face wet to do this, so. And I will go wash my face off in the sink, but I'm too lazy to get up twice. Again, no judgment, okay? So let's go ahead and try this out. I just got my nails done today and I can't like grab anything right now. Oh, it has a nice smell. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. So it's just a creamy, ooh, feels good. So it's just clear. There's no pigment to it. It really, really feels good though, surprisingly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, it is off my face now. I really, really like the texture of this. I just opened Sephora again to see what kind of texture it was, and it says it's a silky gel cream. I can really feel the gel cream part of it. I actually really love that texture. I think it did a really good job. Obviously I didn't have any makeup on, but I did notice I still had some makeup from last night. I mean, I was lazy and I just used a makeup wipe last night. So it did get off what little was still left on my face, which was nice because I honestly didn't even see most of it before I did get it off. So that's nice. Okay, let's move on to the serum. There isn't any instructions on like sizing that it recommends, so we're just gonna do a pump. Maybe two. Why not two? Again, there's not really a color to it. Oh. What is that smell? I can't explain the smell, but I don't like it. Like, I recognize it, but I don't know, bark? Maybe it's the leaf extract. I don't know. It smells like bark. Like wood bark. Anyway, I don't know. It's not horrible and it's not too overwhelming. It just isn't that great of a smell. I mean, it worked nicely. I hate things like serums. Like, how do I say, oh yeah, it's doing all, like, that's an overtime thing. But right away it feels fine. It is a little sticky, so I don't know if that's just the product or if I put too much on. I'm not sure. Okay, let's move on to that Blockbuster. So the Wonder Cream. I thought on one of the things it acted as if it's like for nighttime only. There's a little thing on the back, so I'm gonna rip it off and read it. Directions: massage onto face and neck and upward stroke. It says both AM and PM on here. So ignore the thing that said PM, because one thing said night cream. Maybe I read the wrong one, because there's another one that looks like this. Oh, I love the seal. Oh, interesting. These are so satisfying to me when it's just like not touched. Let me just, ooh, she's thick. Okay, oh, holy crap, that's really, really thick. Ooh, ooh, okay. Interesting. Oh, that feels great. I'm so dehydrated and dry. Oh, I know, upwards, whatever. I'll regret it later in life, but that feels so, I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my really, really troubled problem spots. So that is actually really thick. Like, I don't know if you can see, come on, there we go. It's still like, it's not really a liquid. It's like an actual like cream. Like it's thick, which I actually like, because as soon as I put it on my face, I feel like it easily melted with the temperature of my face. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, but now it's burning. My nostrils, like in the crevices where I'm really dry and sometimes it does crack, it is burning slightly. Does not good, does not good. Okay, let's just move on. Other than that, as soon as I put it on though, it felt so good. And honestly, I feel like it's sinking into my skin nicely. It doesn't really feel like it's just sitting there. All right, let's move on to the last product. This is the product that I'm gonna probably regret putting on, but we're gonna do it. You're not directions? See outer box for directions. There is no outer box. So this is the complexion booster. I'm so concerned with the, oh bitch. I'm gonna regret this so bad. Look at this color. This isn't gonna work for me, so there's no way I'm willing to put this on my face. It's just not happening. Like, it's not happening. However, if you are tan or medium skin toned, this would look really, really pretty on you. For me, it definitely would have had to be the other shades. Let's see. It was the rose gold or the pink champagne. This is not happening. Like, it's not happening. However, let's rub it out on my hand just to see what it would look like, because I can wash my hand. So that is rubbed out. So it does give it actually like a really nice glow. So it'd definitely be really pretty. Oh my God, look at my fingers. It would be really pretty if you were tan skinned for this color. For me, it's not happening. Can you really not decide, like in that pack? Hold on, let me go back to Sephora, because I don't recall it ever asking me like which, hold on, that's the only kit, right? Yeah, there is only one kit on here, and it does not give you the option to choose this color. So I wonder if the kit only comes with this warm bronze, which if it does, that sucks, because not everyone is JLo's shade. I'm assuming this is her shade. Should I like take the risk and put it on my face? That'd be a great thumbnail. I'm not going to. I'm not a clickbaiter, although that's not clickbaiting. Anyways, so overall, obviously I have to try the products way more than just once to see like an overall result. But first impressions, I actually really like the products. So the cleanser, I feel like I love the texture of that cleanser. And like I said, I didn't really have much on my skin as far as makeup. I didn't even notice that I had makeup on my skin, and it picked it up and got it. So I think the cleanser part of it works. Obviously, again, it's just something over time to really figure out if it works. The serum, I could probably live without, but again, who knows? Maybe it's something that over time looks amazing, but immediate impressions, I feel like I could go without it. Moisturizer, I actually really like. I love the, again, texture, But I love like when it's thick, but when I put it on my skin, it immediately kind of went with the body heat of my skin and melted and felt really nice. That tingling and burning only lasted for a couple of seconds. It's gone now. But that also is probably because I am so dry, it's actually cut. So that's why it's gonna burn. Anything I put there is gonna burn because it's cut. And then this, I can't give an opinion. I guess, I feel like it would be really nice of a product if it was my shade. Because the glow that it gave, I didn't like the color. Even if I was a medium complexion, I didn't like the color. But the glow it gave, I felt like was really nice. I feel like it'd be pretty nice if it was one of the other shades that's closer for my skin color. I also like that it's a cream though, or a gel or liquid, whatever. It did actually dry down pretty fast. I've been sitting here with the wipe trying to get it off. So that is nice. It didn't feel tacky when I put it on. So I might look into getting the other one. I still have this from Patrick Ta that I still haven't used. So I feel like personally I'm probably not gonna go out and buy this only because it's not something I typically wear. However, if body glow and things like that is something you really enjoy, I actually think this is a really nice one. Maybe not the shade, but the formulation of it I do really like. So yeah, if you want me to do a follow-up maybe in like a month or something of after using these products, let me know down below and I can do a follow-up for you. But that is all I have for this video, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.